Welcome everyone, here is the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So let's get this one open. If you haven't bought a Flip 5 yet on Samsung's website, you don't need to click an affiliate link, just click a regular link. And on their site, they are offering pre-order bonuses. You get double the storage for free, and that's quite cool. So let's open up the phone right now. And I have used the original Flip back in 2020. I used it for 1.5 years, and they're pretty good phones. So let's have a look here. I need to pull up and then around. Great. So here it is. This is the mint color. Looks pretty good. It doesn't look too masculine, not too feminine. And on the sides, there we go. We have the flush hinge. There are two boxes that you get. You get the actual phone box and then another box, and they flexed the hinge folds completely shut on that other box. Let's get this phone turned on, so we can take a look at this beautiful screen right here. I don't know if you can see the reflection. I don't think you can, but this screen is massive. It looks like a big folder. But don't get deceived. These cameras here are the same cameras as the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Yes, you heard that correctly. The same as the Z Flip 3. So these cameras are actually quite dated if you compare it to modern standards. The inside screen, there's no real need to improve this. The hinge here, they've actually made it. They did this on the Flip 4, but when you rub your finger, you basically can't feel it. You have to rub very slowly and very hard to feel it. The actual crease. You can still see it if you're in direct light, but if you're facing front, you can see it on video. I actually can't see it. Let's keep that one in mind. They say you can actually use this cover screen here. Can I use it to set up the phone? No, I can't. Okay, so let's set up. And we are now set up. So the first thing I want to look at is if I fold the phone here, and I double click the power button, we go over the photo mode. So this just allows you to use the cover screen here. I wonder if I fold the phone up like this. Yeah, you could use that. Swipe across, we can change the modes. You can even change the quality and stuff. You could not do that on the Flip 4. So if I want to take a photo, put the hand out. Yeah, you can use that. I don't know if you could see that too well, but definitely can take shots on this thing. And you have all these settings here as well. Or you can even just tap the screen to take a picture. So there we go, there's a picture that was taken. Seems like by default it will flip the image. I'm not used to being able to do so much stuff on this cover screen. So the weather seems to have... Oh, the phone seems to have glitched out. Maybe that's a software thing. You could supposedly touch and hold to change the look. Okay, I want to go to the home screen. Let me figure this out. Okay, so you can use apps on the cover screen, but you need to go to the cover screen settings, and then you can see here, apps allowed on the cover screen. You just need to turn that one on. So use main screen navigation on cover screen. Let's turn that one on too. And let's have a look. So if I go to the lock screen here, change my lock screen, probably by accident. And there we go, we have the widget where we can use our apps. So these apps are limited, but that is YouTube running on my cover screen. And you even have the button navigation as well. Yeah, the screen is 60 Hz, but it looks alright. You could definitely send messages here. So maybe if you're someone who doesn't really want to use their phone too much, then this phone is for you. One thing though, if you are taking photos, not having a actual zoom lens is just really annoying. Let's say you're trying to take something that's kind of far away, it's not too far away, but without that zoom lens, your pictures will look horrible. That's something to note. And again, these cameras are from 2021, and when they were released in 2021, they were budget sensors. And I say that because that's not going to result in the best camera quality. I've seen some reviews. The video quality genuinely is not great, even on this outside camera system here. This is just considerations to keep in mind. But if you're someone who, well, wants to look cool, because I mean, you can go like this, boom, you can flick the phone out. That is pretty cool. I did that on my Z Flip 1 all the time, just for the fun of it, honestly. Then yes, you can do that. That's looking great. If you don't want to be distracted by social media all the time, someone's messaging you, you just swipe across here, open messages, respond to that person here. You can do that, no problem. That's definitely going to help if you have a phone addiction, 100%. It is hard to recommend this phone when you have this regular S23 here, not an Ultra, just regular S23. And the screen, first of all, if we take a look. Okay, the Z Flip is taller, but the width is the exact same, and the extra height you're not really going to benefit from. The glass screen just looks better, it just does. And you're going to get better battery life because the phone's thicker. You're going to get better performance because the phone is thicker. Again, that just allows for more battery, more performance. And this phone is also cheaper. It has better cameras. That is why I just find it hard at the moment to recommend a Flip unless you just aren't really caring too much. With the Fold, you can kind of get it. It's two phones, essentially, like a phone and a tablet. This one, I'm not sure, but let me know in the comment section. You may find a use for it. You may think it's worth it. I thought the Z Flip 1 was worth it. Well, I mean, I don't know why. Just thought it was cool. But if you do get this, let me know in the comments. Bye-bye.